Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The name of my channel is Learn with Mickey. This is the educational channel. Today we'll be talking about ChatGPT, an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. We'll show you how to use it and how you can earn money with it. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how to use ChatGPT. To get started, you need to visit chat.openai.com in your web browser. So let me open one for you. Just a moment. Now, as you can see, what you have to do, you can see the welcome to ChatGPT page out here. So either you have to click on login or you have to do sign up. There are two processes I'm showing you. So first of all, you have to do sign up. If you are not signed in here, so you have to sign up. If you are signed in here, then you have to log in. So as I am already logged in, as I'm already signed in, so what I have to do, I have to simply log in from here. Now this is a way how you can do the login thing. Now you can do it with another process. Write down in Google ChatGPT. When you write ChatGPT, you can see the very first option, introducing ChatGPT. Open it one. Now you can see on the left down, try ChatGPT. When you click on this one, you can see the same interface once again. Okay, so now I click on login. I'll log in with my Google account. Sorry, I'll not show you my Google account. Okay, now you can see this is the first interface. Okay, this is the first interface where you can see I have already searched something before. Okay, so now I will show you how you can use this ChatGPT for yourself, for your uses. First of all, let's click on new chat. When you click on new chat, you can see send a message. You can see there is an option came up over here, send a message. You need to write here. You need to search out here. Now, this is not like that. You can only use the ChatGPT in your computer. You can use it on your Android phone, on your iPhone as well. Okay. So now I will show you what you can do with this. Now we will ask ChatGPT, give me a 10-minute video script for my YouTube video. The topic of the video will be how to make a new YouTube channel. The content should be easy to understand. Now we click enter. After that, just wait for a few seconds and let ChatGPT do his work. Now can you see? Everything is coming step by step. It is giving me all the ideas step by step. Now you can see. It has given me the title first. How to make new channel step by step guide. Intro music fades in. You see? It is even giving us the music fades as well. Now, how you can start in from here. Host. Hey there, fellow content creators, welcome back to our channel. You can see it is giving us a script as well, what you need to speak in the video, what kind of animation needs to come up. You need to set up your Google account, on-screen demonstration you have to provide, accessing YouTube Studio, creating your channel. It will show you everything step by step. It's writing. Let's wait. Can you see? You can read everything step by step. You can read all the things step by step. You see, it is explaining everything step by step. Accessing YouTube Studio, how to create your YouTube Studio, how to do the login, how to do the setup, how to create your channel, and then it is even showing you on-screen demonstration. You have to show some demonstration. It means now, today's date, if you are going to create a new channel using ChatGPT, it's very easy. You can see it is even giving you the steps how you can upload your first video, how to upload the video, how to optimize your video, how to do the promotion of your channel. You see, it is even giving you steps. Creating great content is only the first step. You'll need to promote your channel to attract viewers, engage with your audience, collaborate with creators. You can see you can even share videos on the social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It is even showing you how you can monetize your channel. You can see you can monetize your channel. Now it is actually giving you the complete script, how you can use ChatGPT as your companion to make you a YouTube channel. You can make a YouTube channel using ChatGPT. Now we are gonna create something amazing, something exciting. Give me 10 daily tips daily eating tips. Healthy. You see, we are asking ChatGPT to give us eating tips to be healthy. Oh my God, oh my goodness. You can see the whole result out in front of you just in few minutes, just in few seconds. Sorry. You can see what are the steps. Eat a balanced breakfast. Incorporate colorful fruits and vegetables. Choose whole foods. Control portion size. Everything is there, everything. Include healthy fats. Okay. ChatGPT is in a very next level. Before, what we have used, before the invention of ChatGPT, what we have used? We have used Google to search anything on the web. What Google used to do was it used to give us a lot of results, lot of blogging pages, lot of websites where you can find the content related that we are asking for. But in ChatGPT, it is not going to redirect you to any kind of web pages. What it is going to show you, it is going to show you the exact result what you are looking for. If you are looking for 10 healthy tips, it is going to give you 10 healthy tips. Okay. Now the next thing that we are going to talk about is how you can earn money with the help of ChatGPT. Now that as you know how to use ChatGPT, let's talk about how can earn money with it. One way is through affiliate marketing, where you can promote products and services in any industry and can get a commission every time someone purchases from them. For example, let's say you have a blog about travel. You can use ChatGPT to write articles about travel destination and include affiliate link to hotel, flights and tours. Every time someone click on one of those links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. Another way to earn money with ChatGPT is by building an app, website, or services using its ability to translate ideas into real products with step-by-step instruction on how to use frameworks, toolchain, programming languages, etc. Let's say, for example, you have an idea for a meal planning application. You can use ChatGPT to help you write the code for the app and even debug any errors that come up along the way. Okay, now I'm showing you some example. I'm showing you 2 examples of how you can use affiliate marketing, how you can use your blogging things make to the next level. Today, suppose you are in India and now you are going to explore the most beautiful place of India, that is in Goa. Now you are asking ChatGPT to give you a Goa trip planner. Let's make him a trip planner. Give me 10. I am making you my trip planner for my Goa trip. I am going with my 2 brothers. I am going from New Delhi. Plan a trip for me for 6 days. Now let's press enter. Oh my god. Oh my god. You see? It is your complete travel planner. Now, when you are making any post, when you are making any video using this content, first of all, you are arriving in Goa, North Goa sightseeing. You are going to South Goa sightseeing. You are going adventure and nature exploration, Old Goa Panjim. You can see, you can go here, visit these places. It is an amazing feature. It is an amazing feature. Okay. So guys, friends and family, thank you. And that's it for today. And those are just a few ways you can use ChatGPT to earn money. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.